Hey there, Quinn Myers here with the Quinn Myers Compass San Diego real estate team. It is June 2021, standing outside our new fourplex listing in North Park. It's 4681 to 4685 Oregon Street. I'm going to give you a buyer walkthrough tour of the inside and the outside of the community and give you kind of the behind the scenes background info. So come along for a journey through our new fourplex in North Park. So this is the street front. We've got Oregon Street here. This is really the north end of North Park, just southwest of the connection of I-8 and 805. To the north here, you got Adams Avenue, and just to the south, you got Madison. Closest coffee shop is about a half block away called Twigs. OLP, the all-girls school that is well known in the community, is just a couple blocks to the north. And then you've got several restaurants, Starbucks within a few blocks. One of the best parts about North Park is how close everything is, and this is definitely one of those situations. From the street front, the front detached structure is a duplex. On each side, on the right and the left, you've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. On the right here is 4683 Oregon Street. I'll take you in and show you that now. So now we're going to walk through 4683, the front right 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Enter into the kitchen, living space, ceiling fan, nice big windows out front. Around here you have your dishwasher, range, vent hood above, big sink. To the left you have kind of your back door, tankless water heater, washer dryer. Come around, immediately to the right, you've got your bath. Not huge, but totally functional. You got some storage closet space, bedroom on either side, both with windows to the middle courtyard. Small closet. I elected to go with shelves, obviously could be converted to hanging space. Ceiling fans in all rooms. Another ceiling fan. Nice newer windows. Come to the left and you have your closet with storage on the left as well, which is great. We're going to go back out. Source of heat for this unit is a gas wall heater that you can see here. Thermostats on the wall. And then we come out. And then on the left, you've got 4685 Oregon Street. And I'll take you in and show you that now. All right, we're coming into 4685, the front left unit. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath also. Walk in the door. Immediately to the left is the kitchen. Ceiling fan, living space. Ceiling fans have remotes on the wall. You can see also it has the wall gas heater. No AC in this unit, no AC in any of the units except for the studio. Kitchen, nice range. Microwave, I assume, does not convey. Big sink, dishwasher. Coming around through this door, you've got your laundry, full-size laundry. Back door, tank water heater, pretty much brand new. Have the details on that for you. Some pantry space. You've also got your attic access. Come around to the left here. Immediately to the left, you've got your bathroom, tile floor, small vanity, tub shower. Pretty nice. Toilet with storage above. More storage, closet to the right. Built-in drawers. The left bedroom, ceiling fan. Got windows on 2 walls and then a small closet. Second bedroom, windows on one of the walls. Ceiling fan, good size. And then large closet. And then that is it. We'll now head to the back right unit, which is the 1-bedroom. We'll now move back to the rear of the property, but first I just want to point out the turf that the seller has installed here in the front. Much of this new work was done within the past year, but we'll give you all the information on what work was done when. Quite a bit of remodel work to the outside and inside of these units was done within the past few years. Got a nice retaining wall here that's fresh concrete and lots of drainage throughout the property that you'll see. Now we can move back to the rear and center courtyard of the property. This would be the back door and laundry room for 4685. Here's the central courtyard. It is common space for the tenants. I believe it's the 4685 tenant that has the planting beds here. A good sign of a good tenant is always when they do some clean gardening. Nice to see. You'll see we've got 2 gas meters. That's for the 2 units in the front. 2 electric meters. That is for the 2 units in the front as well. We're going to take you into the 1-bedroom unit, which is this unit on the right. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. 4681 is the address. So here we've got the side door of the 4681 Oregon Street, 1 bed, 1 bath. We'll pan around and we'll see the washer dryer and water heater. That's kind of the entry that this tenant uses. The main front door to the right on the exterior they don't use. Here's the kitchen. This tenant was very private, so we just did the 3D tour, and then we're recording a voiceover over the top. So you'll notice a little difference, different than the videos that we've been doing in the other units to respect the tenant's privacy. Out of the galley kitchen, you come into the main living space. Straight ahead, you'll see those French doors. That's just a closet space built in the 40s, and so you see some atypical layouts. That's the front door that the tenant doesn't use so much. All the furniture's covered. Tenant was private and wanted to cover up their art and furniture and desk and whatnot. There's that closet I was talking about. This is the tenant's desk space. To the right, you've got the bedroom. Windows covered, but windows on 2 walls, and then you've got a small closet in the corner. And at the end of the hallway to the left is the bathroom. Tile tub shower, toilet, vanity. This is the least remodeled of the 4 units on the property. And now we'll take you in on a tour of the studio with attached garage. Address for that is 4681A as an alpha. So here we are inside the studio unit on Oregon Street. You'll notice I'm wearing a different shirt. We actually had to film this, this portion about a week ahead of the other portion that you're seeing because the tenant moved in June 1st, so we wanted to film it before the tenant moved in. So here's the tour of the studio unit. This is the front door that gets you access to the kitchen space. Immediately to the right, you've got the garage. We'll come back to the kitchen in a second. To the left, you got a full-size washer dryer, obviously exclusive for this unit. This is the attached garage space with high ceilings. So something to keep in mind is this garage door. Between now, which is late May, and June 1st when the tenant moves in, this garage door is going to be replaced. So ignore the fact that it looks a little wonky. The door and the tracks and everything will be flush and perfect, and you'll see no opening like this. So keep that in mind. Obviously, garage door opening motor, high ceilings for storage, oversized garage space. You can easily fit a full-size truck or vehicle in here. Got your window, lighting, washer dryer. And obviously you've got your normal self-closing garage door into the kitchen. Stainless steel refrigerator, which is very nice. Full size, looks like counter depth. Gas range, full size. Microwave. And it does vent to the exterior, which is nice. Large sink with garbage disposal. This window faces to the south to the interior courtyard. Got some space here for a love seat, maybe a small table. Mini split AC system, so that does both AC and heat with the remote there. Very quiet, very efficient. This is the only unit on the property that actually has AC, so that is a nice amenity. More windows, lots of light, relatively high ceilings. Got that hip in the ceiling there, which you'll see at the top on the right. Recessed lights. Small closet with the mirrored sliding doors. And then your bathroom. Nice tile on the floor. Probably a 30-inch vanity. Lots of drawers. Toilet. It's got both buttons for water savings, which is nice. Custom tile shower, soap niche, exhaust fan, recessed lighting, nice window. So as you'll see in the notes, this was converted. It was previously a workshop. Within the past year, it was converted into the studio space with attached garage. And so all of these finishings are new, and with this tenant moving in on June 1st, this will be the first tenant in this space. We're going to go out this door, which I'd consider the back door. If you call this the bedroom space, obviously it's one big open space, but I would probably classify this as your bedroom space. Call this your back door, and we'll go back and continue the rest of the tour of the property. I want to just point out one thing for the studio unit. This is where the tankless water heater is on the exterior, as well as the mini split AC condenser you'll see on the side yard here. So this studio unit has an attached garage that you'll have seen in the previous walkthrough that just happened a few seconds ago. And this detached garage are 3 separate single car garages with access to the courtyard here. And then I will show you the other end as well. Got a nice push button here to only keep the people that you want on the property from the alley side. So here you can see you've got 3 single car garages, each assigned to one of the 3 units that is not the studio. Studio garage is there to the right. Currently tenants assigned to each. This garage here is for 4681, 4683, 4685. Each has their own key and is self-contained for its own space. Got a gas meter and electric meter here. These meters are shared between this tenant and the studio tenant. The storage shed is owner storage, so this would convey, and a good place to store materials like you see on this side yard as well. This table conveys as well. You've got crawl space access through that hatch there, and this hatch is a sump pump water collection area for all of the drainage that was installed on the property. All water collects here and then is pumped to the street. Hey, I want to thank you for taking the video walkthrough tour of the Oregon Street Fourplex. Again, it's June 2021. Quinn Myers with Compass and the San Diego real estate team here. Please give me a call if you need more information. Normally in these videos, I try to give you all the minute details. With a property like this, that could go on forever. So we've got all sorts of information we'd love to share with you about the tenants, about the past work that the seller has done to the property to make it look so nice. Please give me a call if you'd like that information, 619-786-7361. You can also find us on the web at soldbyq.com. Take care. Thanks.